Did you know Microsoft Copilot can access and read local files from your PC? If privacy matters to you, this quick tutorial will show you how to disable Copilot AI from reading your files and drives on your laptop or PC in just a few clicks. Let's jump right in and take back control of your privacy. First, open Microsoft Copilot on your PC. Next, click on the account icon in the left sidebar. Now, go to Settings. This is where you'll manage your privacy controls. Scroll down until you find the option called Read Files. Simply turn off this option. By disabling this feature, Copilot will no longer be able to read or access files stored on your computer. Your PC is now more private and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows and AI tips. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover more Copilot privacy settings or tricks.